Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, we are going to talk about the incredible story of a crypto trader who turned $500,000 into a whopping $5.3 million in just 6 months. I also placed below this video the link of Crypto's bot, which is one of the best Telegram copy trading bot in the market. The bot allows you to replicate the trades of some of the best traders in the world. This is a good option for beginners that are looking to get into crypto trading. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified for future videos. A crypto smart money on-chain researcher on Twitter was able to detect the crypto wallet address of an anonymous trader ending with 0x42C8. Between December 13th and 16th, 2023, this savvy trader withdrew a staggering 365.96 billion Pepe coins from the crypto exchange Mexi. At that time, the stack was valued at around 496,000. Fast forward 6 months to June 4, 2024, at precisely 3:26 a.m. UTC. The wallet address ending with 0x42C8 deposited all those Pepe tokens into Binance, typically a sign of selling intention. And yes, that is what the trader did. Pepe was trading at $0.00001452 at the time of the sale. This transaction netted our trader an astounding $5.3 million, a tenfold increase from their original investment. This sell-off represented 0.6% of Pepe's 24-hour trading volume and less than 0.01% of its market capitalization. So, what's the deal with meme coins like Pepe? Well, they're highly volatile and often driven by social media hype rather than fundamental value. Traders buying these coins are essentially betting that they can sell them to someone else at a higher price, a concept known as the greater fool theory. The greater fool theory suggests that you can profit by buying overvalued assets and selling them to someone willing to pay more. And that is what that trader did. He capitalized on this trade by riding the wave of retail demand for Pepe. However, this strategy is risky. The hype can die down, leaving traders stuck with worthless assets and significant financial losses. It's a high-stakes game, and while the rewards can be huge, so can the risks. So this concludes today's story on how one crypto trader was able to turn $500,000 into $5.3 million with Pepe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more incredible crypto stories and updates. I've also just launched a free Telegram channel for those who are interested in crypto signals and new online business opportunities. You will find the link of the channel below this video.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.